Philippines. Hello, Canada. Hello, Japan. Alright. Nakuha na ba?
Yeah.
Kanina.
Oh, ayan, live na.
Alright. We are here. Asan ba tayo, sis?
Hindi ko.
I don't
Yuhinya.
know. We
Yuhinya
are here in
Trails.
Canada, right?
Yeah.
What?
Eu-
Eugenia Falls.
Eugenia Falls.
We are here at Eugenia Falls. Whatever.
Oh,
Whatever.
what is that? Look at that.
Hang. You can.
If you want to hang yourself
Yeah.
here, you can hang it.
You go walk
And
out.
Yeah.
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 No thanks.
Why? I'll give
Go
you
on that one.
$1,000.
No, go on that one. That one. Go on that one. Here, I'll give you a little help.
I'm worried about my phone.
You just worry about your phone. How about your husband?
Don't say that. Somebody already do. See, look at there's a chain there. Somebody
Yeah.
already.
That's why I told you, if you want to hang yourself, you just come here and hang yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Chain there. Somebody already do it.
That's strong enough
Yeah.
to hang yourself.
Oh, Jasmin, go try.
I'm happy. No. Hindi ko.
Fault before you come here, you don't go in the toilet, in the washroom. That is the reason why I don't want to drink.
No, I'm just, naihiya ako kasi katatawa.
Look at that, it's too nice.
Come on. Come on, get me. We're still on the right way.
He's the boss.
You're following
How about back home? Call 911.
I'm looking for her boss. It's like, hey,
Can you pick me up? They will surprise my car. It was in the.
I'm sorry,
They will surprise if they saw my car. It was in the hotel because they don't saw me. They don't saw me that I go with you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They will think that I am there.
Oh, yeah. But it's allowed there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's allowed to go with the guests.
Yeah. I'm not going in the bar. I'm not going.
Alright.
And you are couple.
Yeah, and you are our tourist girl,
Toink.
right? You can say, I'm the tourist. They ask me for
Parang baliktad ah. For me, I don't know when I have my day off.
Yeah, you're still working, right?
Yeah.
Me, almost 4 months no work because the COVID. But
Hi,
I thank God because
how I wish.
but thank God because God the government of Canada is
Yes.
yeah they give help, right?
But you know what? When you apply your income tax,
Yeah, I know. They said 300 ang mababawas sa ano
I
sa
think
yeah
40%,
they said 300 kasi may
300,
tumawag ng Pilipino.
300,
Yeah, 300 sa 2,000. Yeah, so
2,300 lang.
how many months? So almost 2,000 din ang makukuha sa ano. Yeah. Yun ang sabi nung isang kapatiran namin kasi nag-call siya regarding sword.
He's there already. Let's go.
Oh, where are you? Honey.
Oh, where he go?
It's okay, but I have to.
No.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can't. I can't. Hang on. Kuhanan mo ako sister.
Paano kita kukuhaan? Ay, sandali. May camera ako. Wait lang. May camera ako. Baka naman ako ang gugulong dito na kumukuha ng camera. Wait lang. Asa na yung camera ko?
Ay, naka-live ka nga pala.
Oo, naka-live yan.
Ibigay mo naman sa akin yung
Ay, i-upload ko to sa ano.
saan mo?
Oo.
Okay.
Doon mo na lang panoorin.
Para isend ko sa mga anak ko. Tapos subscribe ko rin sa mga friends, right?
Yes, please. Wait.
Don't do that, honey. I so love you.
Oh my God, baka gugulong ako dito. You see the falls there? Really? Oh my goodness. Look.
On the rocks are. You gonna see the water coming over?
But no.
Looks like we're fine.
That's too far.
Yeah, we were next to it. Well, I guess we better start walking back. We got thrown away here.
Come on, come on.
Stepping that rock,
Yeah,
looks
I
like
know.
we'll break.
Come on. Come on.
No.
Come on, baby.
What?
Picture. Oh, no. Okay, thank
You're gonna
you.
fall.
No, thanks. Go, kuha ng
Step on that one, Jasmin. There may be a break. Right
I'm scared now.
there. There may be a break in half.
Where?
Crack. Look at this.
Oh my God, don't do that.
Yes, the red one?
Ano?
This?
Baliktad.
See? Oh my goodness. Alright.
No birds here or nothing. What the hell's all the animals?
Okay.
Why it's too quiet here?
Because they'll
No birds.
No, you don't hear no birds or nothing. Is there no nature around here? No birds?
You can sing.
parang ano na, nahihilo na ako. Thank you.
soft really. I think it's gonna fall.
It's too scary.
It's a
I can feel it. It's soft. It's soft. I think it's gonna break off. Pretty high. It's far down. Yeah, it's far down. Here, jump. Jump. You wouldn't jump from here.
with
No
water.
way.
Sa tubig. Ganyan
With no
kataas
water?
yan. Wow, nice place. I love it, honey. Thanks for bringing us here.
Oh my.
We've already started heading back. That looks like far way back. That waterfall looks far away.
It's easy to go up, but it's hard to go down.
Easy to go down, hard to go up.
No, for
No,
me
for
it's
me,
easy
it's better to go up than
to go down.
yeah, because it's scary. Oh! Help!
I'll go back that way.
Wow, I love it. So I
Yeah,
keep
nothing.
safe my
It's too
phone.
quiet here.
Honey, I keep safe my phone over there.
Yeah, and then you forget it probably. Yeah, no animals, nothing in there.
Thank you, Lord.